StudyMojo.com.
Today we are starting triangles, 6th chapter, triangles, chapter 6. Triangles. In earlier classes, you have studied about triangles and their properties. When we are considering triangles, you have to try similar triangles. What about similar triangles? What are similar triangles? Similar triangles means same shape but different sizes. There are so many shapes which are similar. Here we have to study similar triangles. Similar triangles means triangles having the same shape but size are different. For example, this is a triangle ABC and this is another triangle PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. If triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of the corresponding sides means AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ will be equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR, that will be equal to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. And angles will be of the same measure. Measure of angle A will be equal to measure of angle P. And measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle P. Measure of angle B will be equal to measure of angle Q, this angle, and measure of angle C will be equal to measure of angle R. These are the important properties of similar triangles. If angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, then triangles are similar and the ratio of the corresponding sides are also equal. That means AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR, and AC divided by PR. These three ratios are equal. If we want to say two triangles are similar, all these properties we did not want to prove. We have to prove only if two angles of these two triangles are equal, then automatically the third angle will be equal by the property of angles, angle sum property. That means if angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q, the two triangles will be similar with AA similarity criterion, with AA similarity criterion. AA means angle similarity criterion. Then if the sides ratio of the sides are equal, then the two triangles are similar. That property is called S similarity criterion. Then if two sides and included angle, the ratio of two sides means AB divided by PQ, BC divided by QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. These properties obey. If these properties obeyed by the two triangles, then they are said to be similar. This property is called side angle side, SAS similarity criterion. If the ratio of corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are similar. This is called S similarity criterion. And if two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Then the two triangles are similar. This property is called AA similarity criterion. This is AA similarity criterion. And if the ratio of two sides are equal and the measure of included sides are equal, then the two triangles are similar. That property is called SAS, mean side angle side criterion. SAS criterion. If the ratio of two sides of the two triangles are equal and the measures of included angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. This is called SAS similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. SA similarity criterion means side angle side criterion. Side angle side similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. So these are the three important criterions. First one is SAS similarity criterion. That means the ratio of the three sides. The ratio of the three sides of the two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar. This is called SAS similarity criterion. Side similarity criterion. And if two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then these triangles are similar, and it is called AA similarity criterion, means angle. The third angle we are not mentioning because the third angle will be automatically equal because of angle sum property of triangles. Then the third one is the ratio of two sides are equal and the included angles, measures of the included angles are equal. Then the two triangles are said to be similar. This property is called SAS, mean side angle side similarity criterion. We have to study these criterions very well because we have to use these criterions in the following problems. Now we are going to prove one important theorem which is called basic proportionality theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. In other words, it is also known as Thales theorem. The theorem is found by the scientist named Thales, so it is also known after his name. That is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Its short form is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Next we are going to prove basic proportionality theorem. Okay.